So if you're practicing at home, you're able to have a paper and pencil. That's really all you need to record your answers, your symbols when you're comparing fractions. We'll just do 5 quick examples for the sake of time. If you have dominoes, that's even better. You don't have to, but they're perfect because they have their own numerator and denominator. So what fraction is that, Justin?
1/5.
So you can act just like a regular fraction with that fraction bar in the middle. So also, if you get a person to play with you, we're going to actually have a 2-player game to keep score to see who has the greater fractions. Our symbols are brought to you by Q-tips. We've got equals. We've got, what is that, Serenity?
Greater than.
And then you flip it over and it is magically
Left.
So you read that with left to right. Okay. So now what they're going to do, they're going to just grab 5 fractions face down, 5 dominoes. Yep. So now, without peeking, they're going to kind of line it up. So 1 domino at a time, they're going to slide it up, keeping it face down. Yep, they're not going to reveal it yet because they may want to peek and try to make it a bigger fraction. Sometimes there's those improper fractions. All right, so now go ahead and flip it over. So Justin, what fraction do you have?
I have 9/7.
9/7. Serenity has 6/7. So what they're doing right now, they're writing those same fractions on their board, both of them, exactly in the same answer, same direction. Now they're finding their answer with that cross multiplication. So they're going to take 9 times 7. Serenity's just double checking her 9's facts. She's going to write that product right at the top. She's going to double check to make sure that she has the right product. Yep. 6 times 7, she knows it's 42. Justin looks like has the same thing. So, okay, guys, so let's see left to right. So 9/7, Justin is?
Greater than 6/7.
All right, so what she's going to do, she's going to put that symbol at the top. Justin, if he were one player by himself, you guys would be watching this at home. You would have already written down for number 1. 1. Ready, bud? Greater than.
Okay, great. Do you want me to?
Yep.
Where is the pencil?
Right next to you, bud.
Oh, right there? Okay.
So really, as one player, you're just watching this and kind of going through the problems with us. You're welcome to look first to kind of see how it's done. You're just recording your work and see if your symbols match ours. Serenity, she says, well, we're a 2-player. If she got the greater fraction, she would add a point, but Justin did. So he gets the tally over there on our little scoreboard. So now they're getting ready. They're going to clear everything off. We're going to just remove the symbol, get rid of those used fractions. We're going to take from our pile one more. Next one, reveal it. Here we go. What do you got, Justin?
6/3.
6/3. Tricky guy there. Serenity has 2/4. You can see that up there. So we're kind of looking to show that cross multiplication process. Some of them are getting pretty quick with it. You can pause this at any time if you needed to practice that multiplication.
I need a new one.
So Serenity, what do you got? So 6/3 is?
It's greater than 2/4.
Okay, so you can go ahead and add your symbol. And actually, can you add your little greater than sign for Justin for the score over there? Yep, and then on the notebook.
Justin wanted.
Justin's finding those improper fractions. So sometimes that'll happen. We've learned about those. Why are improper fractions, Serenity, always going to be bigger? Unfortunately, they're going to be greater than that other fraction. They're always greater than
1/4.
Yeah, so that's the luck of the domino. All right, ready? Let's go ahead and find your next one. Justin's got 2-0 right now. We have 6/6, and we have 2 halves. So this might happen. We both know
It's equal.
they're a whole and 1 whole. So what happens when they're equal? What's that symbol? There's that beautiful equal sign. And then we decided if that does happen with you and your partner, you can just add a tally to both. You're on the board there, Serenity.
Yay!
Last one. Not quite a close one. Here we go. And you're going to get rid of the symbol.
That's it.
We'll get it later.
Okay.
All right, last one. We're going to slide those up. Go ahead.
3 sevenths and
7
7
sevenths.
sevenths. So 7 sevenths and 3 sevenths.
Ooh, that's a tricky one, those sevens. So you can pause this at any time, like we said. You don't necessarily have to choose 5 dominoes apiece if you're working with a partner. Sometimes it's too much. Sometimes you can choose more. What do we get for the product, Justin? 7 times 7 is?
49.
There's those beautiful multiples of 7 down there. How did you know when to stop at 49, Serenity? While you were
Because
counting by 7s.
I counted 7 groups.
Okay, so 49 is greater than 21, so that means 7 holes is greater than 3 sevenths. Last one, can you write that symbol down for our 5th one? Something fishy here, Justin, interesting. Serenity's got her symbol, and then she's going to add her tally. There we go. So that is our game. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more math goodies. Okay, now go wash your hands. For real.